28 kilowatts on the water heating output, and on the space heating output it has 5 kilowatts. The weight of the fireplace is 161 kilograms. It has dimensions of 62 by 8 centimeters. Height is about 105 centimeters. The blue pipe on the top is with dimensions of 200 millimeters. There is a damper to control the chimney drafts. You see here. Also, the heat outlet is 1 inch to gauge here on the top, and the cold water inlet is located here on the right side. The size is 1 inch. The burning chamber is an opener with dimensions of 54 by 25 centimeters. That is about 46 centimeters. It has fire bricks to protect the burning chamber and to accumulate more air. Also, there is an Austrian button. The door has fireproof glass, and also the door is cast iron. If you want to order this product, you can check the link below.